If you would like to earn money online but don't want a full-time gig, then take usertesting.com as a side hustle and make money online. Usertesting.com is a website where you can get paid to test websites. It is one of the best ways to make some extra income through online. You can earn $10 in every test you complete. Each test takes up to 20 to 30 minutes to complete. Basically, it is the process where real users test websites, apps, products, or any services they offer. To earn money from usertesting.com, you need to apply to become a user testing contributor. For that, you need to sign up as a contributor and need to give a practice test. The test can take around 7 to 10 minutes to complete. If you are accepted, user testing team will contact you and you can start taking paid tests right away. You can download the usertesting.com from the App Store or Google Play if you are applying via mobile phone. It accepts contributors from many countries in Asia, Europe, the Middle East, Latin America, and more. There's more to just getting paid to test with user testing. Each time you get paid, your dashboard will show you your payment history along with ratings and other information. All contributors receive payments in US dollar through PayPal, which you can convert to a local currency.